Hi everyone, this is Nadine from Stitching and Crafting Just for You. I'm so happy to be here again to share with you whatever it is you need to know about sewing and crafting. I want to help you the best way I know how. Now, I have a project that I got from a customer to redo her dining room chair seats. Okay, so here it is. I have started the project already, and I'm going to show you how to cover this chair seat. But before I do so, I just want to share with you something. I recently have this heavy duty sorry, heavy duty staple gun that I was using, and the staples got jammed in it, and boy, it was a hell to get these staples out. I had to do some unscrewing and screwing, and it still didn't work out. It was crazy. So I just had to dump it and got myself a new heavy duty staple gun, and that is what I want to share with you. It's a Bostitch heavy duty staple gun. I'm excited about this because it is very good so far. It is so good. A great thing about this staple gun, it is loaded from the bottom. It is loaded from the bottom. That means if you have issues concerning jamming, you can easily pull the slider out and just remove the bad staples and replace them with the good staples. Okay, I want to advise you to, whenever you're going to get staples for your staple gun, make sure you get the correct staples for your staple gun. Incorrect staples can damage your staple gun and can also it can damage your staple guns and make it very, very hard for you. So please get the correct staples. You can take your staple gun to the store because it is not really heavy, to make sure you get the correct thing. Okay, so make sure use correct staples for your staple gun to avoid problems. All right, now I got the staples that goes with it. Okay, so it's a Bostitch heavy duty staple gun, and I got the staplers to go with it. As I said before, I'm happy. All right, I can get my thing going. All right, now I want to show you the little that I know about it. Let me just tell you. All right, this is the handle for the staple gun. The handle has a lock, and this thing you see going to and from is the lock. All right, you use it to lock your staple gun when it is not in use. And let me show you how to lock it. You hold it down like this and you bring it over like this, and it is locked. Okay, and you do so only when it is not in use. Now you're going to release it when you're going to use it. Take it off, easily take it off, and there it is released. Another thing I want to show you about it is that it has a window. This is the window, and it shows you the progress of your staples. That means you can know when staples are needed. All right, now this is the latch. Okay, this latch releases the slider, so all you do, use your index finger, press it down and hold onto the bottom and pull the slider out. And you do this when you're going to load your staple gun. All right, now to load your staple gun, this is what you do. All right, turn it upside down like this. Use your index finger to press onto the latch. Use your thumb to hold here and you pull out. Then you get your stick of staples and you drop it in, just like that. Simple. Then you press and push in your slider. Your staples are intact in your staple gun. Simple, right? So easy. One more time. Press with your index finger, press the latch up, use your thumb, pull out, so, then you drop in your staples, just like that. Press, and your staples are intact. Now, if you like this video, please like, share, comment. I appreciate what you have to say. All right, continue to subscribe. I really do appreciate you. All right, have yourselves a very beautiful day, morning, night, wherever you are, and continue to subscribe again. I really do appreciate you. Bye.